Hi, I'm Chad with Meyers Company. In this video, we're going to continue our MAWL instructional series by showing you how to remove the MAWL propeller cap for maintenance or replacement. The MAWL propeller cap is serviceable by the end user and is designed to provide positive, tactile, and audible feedback for near IR and visible mode selection. It is visibly marked to indicate the mode selection and also features a solid and notched tab that allows the user in low light conditions to determine what mode the MAWL is in. Before removing the propeller cap, you want to ensure that the MAWL is in a safe condition and doesn't have a battery installed. Once you verify that there's no battery or have removed it, you can proceed. First, rotate the propeller cap from the off position to the IR marked position, aligning the IR notch to the arrow. Using a 5.56 round or a pen, press the tip into the silver detent while applying light but consistent pressure, clockwise. Once properly depressed, the cap should rotate past the original stopping point and can be separated away from the MAWL. You're now able to clean the emitter lenses or replace the propeller cap with a new one. To reinstall, align the white dot with the arrow on the MAWL head, press, then turn the cap counterclockwise to the IR position, and you should hear an audible click. Check proper fit by rotating the cap counterclockwise to the off position. The cap should turn easily and remain attached to the MAWL head. To learn more about the MAWL and other Meyers & Company products, visit bemeyers.com.